So, hey guys, I'm going to be showing you my slime that I made today. And it's just white because I couldn't find my coloring. And if you want to go see my musicalys channel, it's Miley Griffin 123, and my YouTube channel is just Miley Griffin. Well, my sister's YouTube channel is bruh underscore it's with a Z.
She got a default case.
Underscore Isaac. So yeah. So that's slime, and I'm just gonna be showing you my slime. So, this is my slime. Let me take it out of the thing. If I can get it out. Well, sometimes it takes time to go out. So, this is what it looks like. My slime was like not good whenever I first made it. But I put it in really hot water. So, that's why it looks like that. And, yeah. So, this is what it looks like. And, for real, I like it. But, it's like jiggly slime, though. So, hope you guys like this video. And I'm just gonna do some ASMR for you. So, hope you guys like that and subscribe.